Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to cjdropshipping.com. Once you're here, click on My CJ. It's near the upper right. Now wait for the website to load. In here, scroll down and then go to Store Authorization. It's on the left side. In here, choose which one you're using. In this case, we're using Etsy. Once done, you will now go to Authorized Stores. Now, you're going to tap on How to Connect CJ with Etsy. This will lead you to another tab. Now wait for the website to load. This will take a few seconds or minutes. Just bear with it. Once you're here, it will show you how to connect Etsy to CJ. Now scroll down. First, it will show you the steps. Number 1 is go to My CJ, then Authorization, then Etsy, then Add Store. Now step 2 is connect to Etsy and then log in, and then third is to allow third-party access. Now once you scroll down, there will be a detailed step-by-step process on how to do it. All you have to do is follow these simple instructions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.